Hello dear children, how are you? Hope you all are well and doing well. In today's video we are going to understand exercise 1C of class 8th standard mathematics and this book is Ex-1C publication, right? So इससे पहले के वीडियो में we are done exercise 1A and 1B. आपने अगर उसे नहीं देखा है तो my request is that कि आप पहले उन वीडियोस को देखिए and then you come to this video, right? So let's start. आंसर ट्रू और फॉल्स, तो यहाँ पे कुछ स्टेटमेंट दिए हुए हैं जिसका आंसर हमें देना है. द आंसर इज नॉट रिटेन बाय द स्टूडेंट हुज नोटबुक इज दिस, हुज PDF I have made. So I'm telling you that the answer 10 upon 21 divided by 8 upon 9 is equal to 8 upon 9 divided by 10 upon 21. So this statement is false. We all know that 2 divided by 3 is not same as 3 divided by 2. Addition distributes over multiplication in rational number, and what we have learned in this, that in the properties, that distributive property of multiplication over addition, but here it is given addition over multiplication. So this statement is false. If you want to know why it is false, then you write in the comment box. I'll explain you. The reciprocal of -5 is 1 upon 5. This is also false, as we know that the reciprocal means, you know, the numerator and denominator becomes denominator by numerator. So it's okay, 1 upon 5 is given because it is -5 by 1, but the number is negative here. So यहाँ पर भी माइनस होना चाहिए था, but it is +5. For that only this is false. 3 upon 4 divided by -8 upon 7 is a rational number. This statement is true. If you simplify this, we know that this will come a rational number only. 0 into 4 upon 5 is 4 by 5 into 0 implies the multiplicative identity of rational numbers. So let me tell you that what is multiplicative identity, that is 1, you know. So this statement is also false. Any number multiplied by 1 is the same number, so that 1 is the multiplicative identity, but here it's given 0. So this statement is false. So let's understand now the next question, that is number 2. Multiply 6 upon 7 by 2 upon 7. All the questions are done by one of my students. So if you are following the same book and if you see that any question is written wrong here, so accordingly, because I am going to explain you here as per the question, but if any question mismatches with your textbook, so you can rectify. In that case, try to understand the things, okay? So there are many questions. I'll explain you few and all the answers are given here. You try to understand by your own. 6 upon 7 by 2 upon 3. So there is a multiplication sign and we need to reduce the number. 3 2s are 6. So in this what we usually do that कि न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से करते हैं, फिर फ्रैक्शन एज अ फ्रैक्शन हम लोगों ने जो भी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म पढ़ा था, जैसे हम लोगों ने उसे रिड्यूस करना सीखा हुआ था, उसी प्रोसेस से इसे रिड्यूस कर देना है और इसका जो आंसर है वो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिख देना है. तो इसका आंसर 4 upon 7 आया. होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. ये बाय को मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन से रिप्लेस कर देना है. दिस इज करेक्ट ओनली, नो. 3 2s are 4, yeah, this is right only. -9 upon 11, 22 by 63. 11 2s are 22 and ये हुआ 9 7s, right? So 2 upon 7, but here I can see that minus sign is missing from here, right? So these are the mistake which you also do when you write anything in your notebook and even in the exam also, right? So you should not do that. -12 upon 13 into -5 upon 18. So यहाँ पर जो है वो there are 2 minus sign, तो आंसर भी पॉजिटिव, that is absolutely fine. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and the answer is, you know, 5 2s are 10 by 39. This is correct. नेक्स्ट इज -90 upon 11 into -55 upon 72. तो यहाँ पर इस नंबर को रिड्यूस किया है. आई थिंक ये करेक्ट ही होगा. 6 whole 1 upon 4. In any answer later on after the video also, if you find any mistake, then please let me know that by writing the mistake in the comment box. I welcome, you know. We all are human beings and there is no time, because if I say each and everything it will take long time. So some work you also do. 7 5s are 35 plus 1 36 upon 7 and 3 2s are 6 1 7. -7 by 3 reduce the number, minus 12 has come. Okay, आंसर will be negative only, that's fine. तो इस तरह से इसका आंसर जो है -1/17/28 आ गया. So it's all right. Later on also if you find anything, you please that you bring in my knowledge. Okay, so now the next is simplify. So in simplify there will be more operators, multiplication, addition, division, then subtraction, everything will be there in simplification. So -6/7 into -28/18 plus -11/13 into 65 upon -20, no, it's 22, not -22. So 6 3s are 18, 7 4s are 28. The numbers is being reduced here, so it has come 4/3 and there is -5/2. So again we need to add this to using the addition law, whatever we have learned in rational number and as well as in fraction also we have learned. So the LCM of the denominators 3 and 2 is 6, as 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, plus 2 3s are 6, so 5 3s are 15, so it's -7/6, and this is the answer in mixed fraction form. Answer always we should write in in the simplest form, as well as if it is in the improper fraction form, then we need to convert them in mixed fraction form. If it is proper fraction, I am telling you fraction, you try to understand this. We are doing the rational number, but both are same in this case. In rational number we deal with positive as well as negative. Also in fraction we have dealt with the positive things, but the things, the laws, the rules, those are almost same, right? Now the next one is -4/5 into 15/8 plus this that. So -4/5 into 15/8, so 5 3s are 15, 4 2s are 8, -3/2 plus 3/7, because and here 2 7s are 9, 3s are cut. So you also see, okay, the answers are done here. You can see the answer. The LCM is 14 and 2 7s are 3 7s are 21, 7 2s are 14, so 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, so 3 2s are 6. So now -21 plus 6 is -15 here, and -6, so -15 into -6 is -21, because the sign are same, and in this way the answer has come -1 whole 1/2 or -3/2. Fill in the blanks. So using the property you can do that. So this is commutative. -18/37 is this side, but here was not, so this I think this is the answer. Similarly -19 into -5/12, and here it was -5/12, -19 is not there, so -19. This is according to commutative law. This is associative law of multiplication. 6/11 is here it was not, so -6/11 is the answer. Now here you can see this is also associative law, so 3/7 is the answer here. Yeah, okay. 2/9 into this, so this is distributive law of multiplication over addition, and 2/9 into -4/9 plus 2/9, so here -4/9 according to distributive law of multiplication over addition. This into this plus this into this, right? So and here 2/9 you have to fill. Next, verify the statement given in question number 5 to 7. Also name the property of multiplication illustrated by this statement. So here first though we have to verify. That means in verification LHS and RHS you have to simplify, and you need to bring both same equal, and then you need to mention the property also here, like whether it is closure, commutative, associative or distributive. So children, here you have to simplify LHS, RHS. The same thing you can do simultaneously also, but do not mix with LHS and RHS together. LHS you have to simplify separately as well as RHS separately, and you have to bring both equal in verification. So here 7 4s are 28/45 and 7 4s are 28/45. So it is verified, and which property is this? So this is commutative property of multiplication, right? Commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication, right? So it is taking time, so just I'll tell you verbally and you write it. Now here it's also commutative property only, and here also it's verifying. You can see name of the property is associative. No, this is wrong. It's not associative because there are not three numbers. So this is also commutative, right? This is also commutative. Okay. The next one is 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 7. So 3 upon 8 into 5 upon 7. So 3 1s are 3 by 4 2s are 8 into 5 upon 7. It's coming 15 upon 56, right? Right side में bracket को पहले हम लोग multiply करेंगे. 5 1s are 5 by 7 2s are 14. So 5 3s are 15 upon 14 4s are 56, right? So this is correct, and this is associative property. So this is correct. This is associative property of multiplication. Now here also in the same way you can verify. Here it has come 7 by 40. No, I think it's 40 only. The text is not visible, so please you do also some work. Minus plus 7 2s are 2 3s are 6. So it is 7 by 15 and it is 3 by 8. So 3 5s are 15. Yeah, this is 40. Okay, this one is what? This one is 40. 7 upon 40, and this side also it was 7 upon 40. So it's verified, and the name of the property is not written here. So name of the property is associative. Okay, associative law is used here. Now next one, this is distributive law of multiplication over addition property. Already I have told you. Now in this simplification, what you make a mistake here. You open the bracket this side, okay, or you take common this side and then you simplify. It is a wrong way. You have to simplify as it is given here. In the same form you need to simplify this using the BODMAS rule, and for that you have to simplify this, the bracket one first, and here this bracket and this bracket, and then you need to go ahead. Okay, so if you simplify this, then 8 5s are 40 is the LCM. If you open the bracket, then your answer will be wrong, because we are verifying. We know that this is true only, the statement. So if you open the bracket, the both side will come equal in one step only. Then what will you are verifying here? So please do not do that mistake. You have to simplify as it is given here using the BODMAS rule. Okay, so 67 by 60 this side, and this side also 67 upon 60, and the law is here, distributive. Okay, distributive. So I am writing this in short. If you want to write this in full, you can write here distributive law of multiplication over addition, right? Over addition is there. Yeah. Now the next one is, this is to nothing, this is cut. Okay, so you don't have to see this. This is also cut. Number 2, so this is also distributive law of multiplication over addition, you can say here, because it is a rational number chapter, so there is a plus sign. So the or simply you write distributive property, that will also work, no problem, over addition. Okay, so here also in the same way you can simplify, as you can see here on the screen. It is done. Minus 11 by 60, both side came, and name of the property distributive. Use the distributivity of multiplication of rational number over addition to simplify this. So here it is given that use distributive law. So you cannot use the BODMAS rule here, that you will add this two and then multiply. That will be wrong. You have to use the distributive law, and in that you have to open the bracket. 7 by 4 into 5 upon 8 and 7 by 4 into 1 upon 2, and this is as per the distributive law, as you know that. 7 5s are 35, 8 4s are 32, and 7 1s are 7, 4 2s are 8. Now the LCM of 32 and 8 is 32. So 35 plus 8 4s are 32, 7 4s are 28, and if you add these two, it will come this answer. Okay, now the next one, the same, using the distributive law you can do this. You have to open the bracket, this into 4 minus 3 by 8 into 4 by 7 plus minus 3 by 8 into minus 11 by 7. Simplify, this answer will come. Okay, and 3 by 8 will be the answer in reduced form and in simplest form. I know this answer is not visible, but if I write here, then it will take time, so you do that. Now the next one is minus 2 upon 5 into 3 into, this is in the bracket, 3 upon 8 minus 25. In the same way you can open the bracket as it is shown here on your screen, and the answer is coming what? 197 upon 20. 197 upon 20, and if you convert this in a mixed fraction, then it will come 9 whole 17 upon 20 is the answer. Okay, find the multiplicative inverse. So before we proceed to the answer, let me tell you that what is multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of A upon B is B upon A. or if the number is only a, then its multiplicative inverse will be 1 upon a. Now using the same law, 6, its multiplicative inverse will be 1 upon 6 here. Minus 23, so 1 upon minus 23, 1 upon minus 23, or if you write this in standard form, then this will be minus 1 upon 23. Okay, that only written here. 11 by 20, 20 by 11, minus 19 by 16, 16 upon minus 19, or minus sign you can write in up, as you know that the standard form is that only. 11 upon minus 5, so minus 5 will go up, minus 5 upon 11. Minus 7 by minus 8 will be minus 8 by minus 7, or 8 by 7 also you can write, because minus minus will cancel. This depends, okay, on the situation. 4 by 5 into 15 upon 8, so its answer will be this. Denominator will go up and the numerator will come down, and after then you can simplify, so its answer is 2 upon 3. And before also you can simplify, so first it is simplified here. 4 by 5 into 15 by 8 will come 3 upon 2, so 2 by 3 you write the answer, or you can write just this also. Okay, as per your classroom, the teacher says that only you do, and whatever the answer given in book, that you see, and accordingly you can write the answer. Both are correct. 0 upon 0 multiplied by 2 upon 9 is 0, and we know that the 0 multiplicative inverse will be 1 upon 0, and this is what? This is undefined. This is undefined. Okay, 0, 1 upon 0, so this is undefined, so does not exist. So multiplicative inverse of this expression, because its value will be 0 and the multiplicative inverse of 0 will be 1 upon 0, we know that this is undefined, so the multiplicative inverse of this does not exist. Okay, now question number 10. Match the statement match the mathematical sentence in column A with the property illustrated by the statement in column B. So children, I am asking you that 1 by 3 into 0 is 0. Which law is this? Property of 0. Minus 2 by 5 into 1 is minus 2 by 5. Which law is this? This is number A, property of 1. Okay. 1 by 4 into 4 is 1. This is property number E, that is multiplicative inverse, right? Because we know that a number multiplied by multiplicative inverse is always 1. Minus 6 by 7 into 2 by 3 is minus 4 by 5. This is closure property. Here it's given. And 0 into minus 7 by 8 is minus 7 by 8 into 0. This is commutative property. Okay. Now the next one, divide. 5 by 9 divided by 15. So 15 can be written as 15 upon 1. And in division, we need to change this division sign. And here also once again you do a mistake. When you change this division into multiplication, then few of you write reciprocal of this number, which is wrong, which gives you wrong answer. So children, you need to write the reciprocal of this number, which is after the division sign. So 5 upon 9 into 1 upon 15, and then you reduce it, the answer will be minus 1 upon 27. But why minus? There is no minus sign in the question, so it will be just only, not minus, there is no minus. Okay, 1 upon 27. 7 upon 18 by minus 14 by 51. So 7 upon 18 divided by minus 14 by 51. 7 upon 18 into minus 51 will go up. I am keeping the minus sign with the numerator, it's okay. Divided by 14. Now 7 2s are 14. So minus 51 upon 36, and in the mixed fraction form its answer is coming minus 1 whole 15 upon 36. This is the answer. And in the same way you can do this number, you can see here. Okay, the answer, the entire answer. In the same way you can do number 4, and in the same way you can do number 5. The few texts are not visible, but you can do it. Like here it is, minus 36. You can relate these steps with the up. Okay, because if I overwrite here, then it will take much time and the video will become lengthy, and okay, many of you will not see this. Now evaluate. Number 12, I think this is the last question. So 5 upon 9 divided by 15 upon 36. So just simplify this. This will be 36 upon 15. And I am changing the color here. Okay, so 4 upon 3 into 3 3s are 9, 3 12s are again 3 4s are 12. So 4 by 3, here it's 4 by 3 if you simplify this, and then division is there, minus 5 upon 6. So if you convert this division into multiplication, it will be 6 will go up. So minus 6 by 5, 6 by minus 5, that means minus 6 by 5 only. 3 2s are 6, so its answer is coming minus 8 upon 5, or 1 whole 3 upon 5 is the answer of this question. Okay, in the same way you can simplify this two first, convert this division into multiplication. For that you need to write reciprocal of this, 87 by 9. 29 3s are 87 and 3 3s are 9, so its answer is coming again 3 3 will be cancelled. Here it was 3, no, so 3 and 3. Okay, so 3 by 3 is 1, and if you convert this division into multiplication, it will be 7 upon minus 1. So that means the answer will be 7, because here also one minus sign was there and here is one minus sign, and both the minus sign together will make plus. Okay, so the answer is 7. So I think that's all for today's class. Here is the end of exercise 1C, and I hope that exercise 1C all the answers are clear. In the next video we will understand exercise 1D. So if anyone is new to this channel, please do subscribe, like the video, share this with your friends, and here I will try to give you the solution of all the chapters of this book, all the exercises. So if you are new, I have already told you. So that's all. Thank you everyone.